Well, hello, good morning, everybody. How we all doing? Getting everything going here this morning. Happy Monday. It is June 29th, getting close to the end of the month here. Looking like we've been bullish all night, although we are pulling back a little bit at the moment. It's going to be interesting to see how this ends up playing out here. Let's see, what do we got for news and on the schedule? Not seeing much. Hey, Nick, good morning.
Not a lot. Not a lot.
Not a lot.
How was your evening?
Not bad, not bad.
Good to hear. Good to hear.
Yes, sir. How about you?
Oh, just hanging out in the Caribbean, being hot and sweaty, getting swamp ass, and trying not to pack up my shit early and just leave this place.
Oh, really? Yeah.
I am not a fan.
Yeah. Just stay in Costa Rica, right?
Well, no, I'm just on the Caribbean side of Costa Rica, so.
Okay, gotcha. But the Caribbean side is more humid and stuff, or is it?
It's just, it's the rainy season, first off. And I don't mind the rain. That doesn't bother me. It's the fact that everything is wet. And I mean everything, like when you walk into your house or your Airbnb or wherever you're staying, even with the air conditioning, with the dehumidifiers, your pillow is wet. You have to pull out sealed sheets and shit just to sleep on dry sheets.
Wow.
Ugh. The
Hey,
bugs
good morning.
here are ridiculous.
And G-Rock's in the house. Haven't seen G-Rock in a minute. Welcome back. Welcome back. Been back from a nice long break in Tokyo with your daughter. Wow, that sounds like a fun trip.
Lovely. Did you visit Angia? Oh wait, no, she's in Hong Kong.
Yeah, she's in Hong Kong. Short week again because of the 4th. That's all I see. Okay.
I don't mind a short week. Less of a chance for me to mess something up.
Looking like there was a pretty nice short trade there, right up until now.
Right until now, where it stalled.
Yeah.
There are still 105 orders down at 29,600. I don't know if you caught any of the pre-market stream.
I just got in there, like not for very long, for like 2 minutes, enough to type that I agreed with Jerry about the the thumbnail.
Oh, all right.
What did I miss?
Not a whole hell of a lot. Took a couple of small trades. I think I'm up like $80 or something per account. So
Okay. Nice.
if even that, I don't even remember.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, $88.50 per account. So
Same issue here in Oregon, Nick. Chris is saying that it's super wet right now.
Oh yeah, Oregon is damp. Where in Oregon are you?
Sort of like BC then, probably.
Seattle, Portland, Eugene. It's just humid, and it's basically just a city full of swamp ass. Buy some baby powder and
sweaty ass,
swamp ass.
Swass everywhere.
Ew.
They have pellet burners here because chopped wood never dies.
Oh yeah, not enough oxygen getting into the.
Dies, sorry. Yeah.
Oof. Not enough oxygen getting in, or air getting to the to the wood to get rid of all that water.
Got to like
And even if
stick it
you-
in the shed with a heater or something. I hope it doesn't start a fire once it eventually dries. We got the bell here in about 2 seconds.
Yeah, Chris is 2 miles from the ocean. I'm literally right now about 50 meters from the ocean. Everything rusts and everything's wet. All right, market is open. Bam! Look at it go.
Dropping like a rock here, all the way to the VWAP.
All right, we hit VWAP. VWAP. It's
VWAP?
average, not VWAP, not VWAP. It's average, not average.
True. Very true.
So we did just hit the initial balance for the top of the initial balance for the Asia session.
Mm-hmm.
So that kind of happened. Not that it means anything right now. Just pointing that out. Got some sell volume balls on the book map right now coming in. Just a couple.
Okay, well, I just think I just passed my take profit, that eval that I was working on there. Pretty sure. Actually, you know what? I think I might need about $20 more. I'm not sure because I did that first day. I had 1,580. So that probably it's like 164. I think I need to pass. So I need about 14, 16 or $17.
So I just took a long scalp, brought my break even to +5, and now I'm up a little bit more. Not much, just a tiny bit more.
That's probably quite a bit more.
No, actually no, just a tiny bit. I am up to 102.75 per account.
Nice. Clee, good morning to you. Happy Monday.
Good
How was the
morning,
bonfire? Clea said she went to a bonfire last night at the beach. I'm like, oh damn, that sounds good.
That
Sounds
sounds
fun.
lovely. I like it.
Tapping into a bearish fair value gap here at 727 area.
I love it. Clea is always in your late night streams. Never shows up for the pre-market. It's just jealousy is rearing its ugly head now.
So Patrick Whelan was having a fight with Austin on X. I don't know if you saw that.
Nope.
Yeah. I don't know exactly what's going on there. I messaged Randy yesterday. I wanted to talk to him about it, but he was busy when I talked to him, or when I tried to call him.
Yeah, I keep out of all that shit. I'm sorry, but if you're fighting on, or if you're starting fights on X and picking on people on social media, just stop. Actually, just stop being. Go somewhere and live in a fucking cave for a while, because you're a worthless piece of shit. Just a thought.
Yeah. It was a fun late night. Oh, yeah. Of course.
Oh, that's why you didn't show up for the pre-market. It was a late night.
That's what I was thinking too, yeah.
All right. I'll forgive you this time, Clee. Next time, though, I'm gonna have words for you. Yeah, right. They're bullies.
Yeah. Internet bullies.
What? Some of the women in the trading space, though. I mean, I'm actually pretty tight with a few of them, and some of the hate that they get on a regular basis is mind-boggling. Like, I genuinely can't wrap my head around what the hell these people are doing and thinking when they're sitting at their keyboards.
Yeah, like, what's wrong with these people?
I genuinely don't understand it. I mean, I get it. Like, I've had it explained to me, but wow.
Pretty big pullback here on this next 5-minute candle.
Yeah. It seems like the women get the hate from those people a hell of a lot more than the men do.
Mm. Yeah, there's just so many retarded dudes out there.
Yeah, it's like it doesn't affect your masculinity if a woman does something better than you. Get a little sense of security, do some deep breathing, and take a long, hard look at yourself, because
Yeah.
damn. But again, this is just an opinion. Maybe they are completely right, and these women should be staying home and cooking and cleaning and
Don't say that.
no, you know I'm absolutely not.
No, I know you're just joking. It's like you never know when somebody might be listening and they don't know that.
Oh, wait, what? Did he just say what I think he said?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna get canceled for the last part of that.
Yeah, everything they're gonna skip everything they said before that, right?
Yep.
Dave doesn't get mad when I beat him kickboxing. Yeah, that's true. That's true.
I mean, I there's a joke coming in here somewhere. Dave probably actually likes it. Crows peck at eagles. Eagles don't fight back. They just fly higher. Yeah.
There you go.
Don't mess with the crows, man. So, fun fact and farming tip: if you have chickens, Dave, this is for you. If you have chickens, befriend a couple crows. Crows will eat nuts and seeds, and if you start giving them nuts and seeds, they will start hanging around your property, and they will start bringing you presents. But they will also attack animals that go after your chickens.
Nice.
If they do this, give them raw hamburger. It's like a special treat for them.
Really?
They will guard you. They will actually have an entire murder of crows on your property that will act like bodyguards for your chickens. They will attack foxes, raccoons, just about anything that starts to mess with your chickens. So that's a second fun fact for the day.
Nice. It's funny.
But
My
yeah,
mom's talking about doing something not exactly like that, but sort of setting up something to be sort of like a crow shrine thingy or something. Okay.
Make sure when you
officially pass that account on the
very good.
Who needs Alexa when you have Nick?
Do you know how many times I have been called Google?
Yeah, she was talking about making some sort of like crow frying, like shrine where you put like food and little toys and stuff, and like they come and play with it.
And they do like the toys. Like I said, if they do anything spectacular, give them raw hamburger. It is like a special treat for them. They love
Really,
it. Yeah. Don't ever be mean to a crow. Don't throw anything at them. Nothing. Because they remember and they recognize your face.
Oh, yeah,
they also communicate with every other crow in the area, and they will, you'll come out and there will be poop all over your car. There'll be dead things on your porch. It's just, they are, if you're nice to them, they're great. If you're mean to them, you're going to have a real hard time with crows.
Yeah, so my profit target was 3,163, and I just got it to 3,229. So that was
very nice.
Fast.
So you are done trading those ones now?
Yeah.
I would hope, if you just pass them.
Locked it. So far, I mean, I'm not really loving the price action though. We've been kind of
not great
inside these candles, but
opening range hasn't been set yet though, so keep that in mind. We are printing a couple of volume balls, bullish volume balls right now on the book map, and we have orders up at 29,800.
Mm-hmm. 156 contracts, although they look like algorithm orders. I'll be back in a moment. 3 minutes till the range set.
So I should be worried that my dog is out there looking like a small fox around all those crows? No. Crows are actually too smart for that. If your dog isn't attacking something and the crows aren't being protective of it, they won't mess with it, and they can tell the difference between dogs, foxes, coyotes, wolves.
Bulls are stepping in here. Should I be worried about your dog? You gonna blast off through these 800s here?
I'm hoping so. I got a single micro long end.
Nice.
I'm not trading anything other than a single micro at this point because,
Yeah.
damn.
Don't need to.
All right. Hey, look at that. I'm making tiny little trades here. I'm now up 117 per account.
Nice.
This is not
This
is not really the playground I'm used to.
But it closed finally. Close. I got a smoked in the internet acting up. Oh,
Oof.
that's
Are you
up.
okay?
Skeletor said that. Wow, I made 550 minutes. My day is complete. Good job, Clee. There you go.
Clee, you've been just killing it lately.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe not even lately. Maybe you're just, are you a ringer? What's happening here?
She's a ringer.
She's a ringer.
Made like 89 bucks there on 2 micros.
Very good.
Caught the pullback there. I scaled out one and I put the one like pretty decently in profit and took one at the high. Should have just taken them both at the high there. Because we're in this channel here that I've had drawn since yesterday's trading session, and like we just basically tapped right to the very top of it, rejected there. That's where I took the first contract off, and then I put the stop like just at the 800s there on the second one, and of course pulled back straight to the 800s and took it out. So
cannot close my position. If it's a Trade Evade account, you can pull it up on your phone.
he did
Log
close
in.
it.
He did manage to close it?
Yeah.
All right.
But it closed finally.
All right, I didn't realize.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Oh, there it is.
Mhm.
Sorry, I hadn't scrolled down. Clee, I've been trading for 3 or 4 years, but still not a pro like you. She must be talking about you, Dave.
I think she's talking about Nick.
Nah. I'm not a professional anything. I haven't worn shoes in 6 months. I couldn't be a professional. Jesus.
Professional non-shoe wearer.
Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna end up with Tico feet here soon.
Permanent flip-flop toes.
I haven't worn flip-flops since I was a child.
Oh yeah, just bare feet.
No, I just don't like the fact that they call them thongs.
Oh yeah.
It just makes me feel a little uncomfortable. I'm insecure with my masculinity, not gonna lie.
Ooh.
I actually have been sending Clee hate mail because she's a better trader than me. Pulling $500 trades first thing in the morning. I gotta get on the keyboard and tell her to do something like, I don't know, make me a sandwich.
He doesn't wear shoes to work either. Nice. Oh, Skeletor. Damn, I'm
Close with
good.
some profits.
Close with some profit. That sucks when the internet goes down. Yeah, that's scary news.
Yeah, it really is. And Cleo was joking about the sandwich thing, but if you come over here, I'll make you a sandwich. That's just, you know,
I just gotta
good
grab
hospitality.
it. Looks like it might be missing a long opportunity here.
You might be. There'll be more though. Okay, I am in this long with 1 micro. My entry price is at 777.50. So I should be up like 40 or 50 bucks right now. Closer to 65, 70. Got my stop loss set at 800. So no matter what, I'm taking 30 points on this. No, 22 and a half points. But that's still 22 and a half points in my favor. So $29,820 got hit. We still have orders at 850, 862, 887, and 900. I just added 1 micro to this, moving my stop loss up to 809. If it pulls back, I still made 35 bucks, 40 bucks. If it doesn't, oh, so I made 35 bucks.
She go up.
So much for shorts.
Yeah. Yeah, I was saying to the chat too, I'm like, usually these channels are a bearish channel, but it's just a matter of like, when does it end is the question. And so far they're holding it.
Apparently I sold my position too early.
This is a common problem.
Are you green? Did you take risk off the table? Don't be hard on yourself about leaving money on the table. You're just think of it this way, you are managing risk.
Yeah. And you can't be mad with making $500 in 15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes, $500. That's
Perfect.
a $2,000 hourly rate. Just saying. Yeah, Skeletor, if your internet's acting up on you, shut it down and enjoy the fact that you're green. Everybody, if you're green, take a minute and tell yourself, I did a good job. Give yourself a little pat on the back. It's okay to celebrate your a job well done. And if you're not, and you're following your rules, give yourself a pat on the back for that too. If you're red, but you took good trades and you manage your risk well, still a good trade, even if it's red.
U.S. Secretary of State Rubio and U.S. Envoy Witkoff to brief the White House and Senate on Iran today. Okay. Okay.
Cool.
If you're green, go to the beach.
Oh,
Yes.
hell yeah. Jerry, what if we're not green and not following our rules?
Go to the
Then
beach
you weren't
also.
around. If that's the case, you weren't around for the pre-market stream. So, and you need to just take a step back, lock yourself out for 15 minutes, and go over your rules. I know you said that as a joke, but I'm going to take this as an opportunity to stand on a soapbox. Follow your strategy, follow your rules. You're going to take losses. Even if your strategy is great and you're following your rules, you're still going to take losses. If you catch yourself not following your rules and taking bigger losses or outsized losses or oversizing or drinking while trading, whatever it is that you're doing that you shouldn't be doing, take a step back and stop for a few. Correct the problem. You don't need your cortisol levels to go through the roof, and you do not need high stress trades. They're not healthy. Take smaller trades, multiple of them, and try and relax as much as humanly possible. Now, this is Jerry over here, so I mean, we know he's just being a goof. Clee's going to the beach. He's probably going to take Jerry.
No mimosas while trading?
Yeah, Skeletor, I'll see you in the morning. Dave's not streaming tonight, I don't think. Wait,
No,
are you streaming on Mondays now?
No, tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night, all right.
Say hi to He-Man from me, Skeletor. Later.
No mimosas while trading? I mean, I'm not going to tell you how to live your life or what type of choices you should make. But if I was your father, I would say, make better choices, young lady. That sounded more like your grandpa.
I think last night somebody came in the stream and was like, "Oh, I'm drunk. I'm gonna do some trades." I was like, "Dude," I'm like, "Don't trade." I'm like, "Just lock your accounts." Like, you're gonna make some bad decisions. And he said, "Yeah, I probably should lock my accounts." I'm like, "I hope you listen to me.
Yeah, I'm hoping so too.
Don't get sucked in and blow accounts." Well,
Damn, there goes getting all cracked out on coffee. No, man, there are two things you need to trade. You need caffeine and nicotine. Get a vape pen and a industrial coffee maker. That's actually the only way I can trade. Vape pen and a industrial size coffee maker.
so somebody used my discount code yesterday and bought 450K direct accounts from Lucid.
Lucid has a direct to funded now?
Yeah, they always have. Yep.
Why did I not know that?
I don't know. Good question.
Man,
Yeah, they got the Pro, the Flex, and then they got the Lucid Direct.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I was like, it's like probably the biggest single commission day from Lucid I've had to date. So
that's pretty dope.
Yeah. I don't know who did it, but thank you, whoever did that. Thanks for using my code.
What if price wicks our stop loss by a tick and immediately runs into profit? Well, FN trades.
Happens all the time.
Welcome to the club.
Yeah, welcome to the.
That's all I got for you, buddy. Welcome to the club. I have lost more trades like that than I care to think about. If I think about it too much, I may cry.
Yep.
Only up 400 today.
Only.
I think that's 4 times what I'm up today. So hey, I'm gonna start watching your stream in the morning.
Yeah, send us a link.
Right?
So many traders are afraid to lose. Trading drunk, no fear. Yeah, except for you might just like let your account go to 0 because you're like, it's gonna turn around. It's gonna turn around. No problem.
It's just, this isn't a problem. I still have $23.75 in drawdown. I'll just trade 1 mini. Yeah. It's a little bit of a drop.
Yeah.
We're down below the Asia session initial balance high now. We are below Asia VWAP. VWAP. WAP, however you want to say it. On the 15, EMAs are not quite lined up for a long-term short, but it's getting there. 9 just crossed down under the 21, it's heading down towards the 200 now, or I'm sorry, towards the 50 now.
Mm-hmm.
And on that note, I'll be right back. I need some more of that strong coffee.
Sounds good.
I'll grab Chris a cup while I'm at it.
Well, that's annoying. I was in a 1 micro long. It was my entry was 590. It went all the way down to 535 and then went all the way back up to 590 and took out my stop with $5.50 profit. That was annoying. Doesn't want to continue at the moment. Buyers are holding the point of control there. Yeah, what a drop. Hey, Gordon. Big Teflon, hey guys, just got here, but neither of you shouted, let's go, and jump from your desk yet. You need to up your game if you want 500 viewers. Let's go. Woo! It's pretty early. It's pretty early. Oh, geez. You're going to need more energy than that, Dave? Well, I got lots more for you. Forget I said that. Forget. Oh, that short trade would be so nice right now. What the heck, man? Regretfully put a stop in there. I shouldn't have put it in there. You have no idea what that's supposed to be? Oh, it looks like kind of like a nerdy guy with glasses and a mustache. What the heck?
You talking about me again? What's happening here?
Is that what you're trying to say, Clee? Whenever there's like 4 lines, like what Clee, I don't know if you can see that in the StreamYard. And, it's like it just shows 4 lines, but then it's actually an emoji, but it just doesn't show up on StreamYard.
Sorry, I'm just reading the comments here after my quick commercial break. I like big Teflons. Neither of you jumped up and shouted, "Let's go. We need to up our game."
Yeah.
RTY is leading the dump.
Oh, yeah. RTY. Damn, I got stopped out break even on a short trade there. It went like 40 or something points in profit. So I entered at 90, 590, and then it went all the way down to 540, 535. So then I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna put my stop break even here, and then it just literally ripped all the way back up to my entry, and then down. And I'm like, I thought that was enough space to put a stop in there, and then I made 550 minus commission, so 450.
All right. So like, Big Teflon says that we should hire a hype man, like the guy that said on the mic at a boxing match. You're hired. Get on that mic.
Big T in the house is gonna open up the mic here, guys. Get ready.
Gordon Gecko. 555 break on the bear fair value gap. Can launch it. And then in 5 minutes, we're gonna get a message from Gordon. I'm rich. Yep. Be content. You made $500 in 15 minutes.
Yeah, good thing you didn't try to take it long here and then give it back, right?
Yeah, I mean,
I'm sure people did. They're like, "Oh, it's gonna recover. Don't worry, it's gonna recover."
Oh, so I should get out of this long now?
Which Gordon, 555 break, 555. Oh, that fair value gap. Okay. Oh, you mean this one here, the bullish one. Bearish fair value gap break is gonna go send it higher. Yeah, I can see that. So that channel did play out, obviously. Like we we're in that channel all night, just going higher, higher, higher. Tap the very top of that channel, and then now we're all the way down to the bottom, like where, you know, where market opened, or one it's close to the lows, anyways. Getting down there. I am people, Jerry.
I don't know what's going on with Jerry. I think he may have had a stroke just now. I am people.
Yeah.
People. We got 175 orders down at 400.
His job laughter.
Dropping a little bit more now.
I just caught myself with the impulse feeling of buying it here because we're in a fair value gap, and I'm like, no, don't do it. Do not do it.
Watch those impulsive trades.
The people long in this market. Oh, I am the people. Oh shit.
Ooh.
Trust me, I like to buy the lows like this, but it just can be really damaging to your accounts. So.
And how? I do not like buying lows like this.
I think it's because, you know, when you do get it right, the reward is just so good. But
yeah, but how often do you get it right?
Yeah, exactly. As we know, markets are crazy. So just because it seems like a reasonable place for it to turn doesn't mean it's going to, right?
And I mean, if it does turn around, you're going to see it turn around. Wait for confirmation that it's going to go and just continue.
Yeah.
Just a thought.
Can't go that far down, right? Jerry. Quit pulling our legs.
Oh, it can.
Wow. Look at that thing right there is a perfect example.
Mm-hmm. Aren't you glad you weren't long?
Yep. That was like a 35, 40 point instant drop there. Now is it time to buy, Uncle Nick?
No. I'm still in a short.
Nice. Yeah, I'm so mad about that short.
What was that?
I said I'm so mad about that short there. That's probably why I'm thinking I want to buy it, because it's like revenging for that stop loss.
No revenge trading.
No.
We all know what that does to our accounts.
Hey, Force Fed, what's going on? Good morning.
All right. Added one more contract into my short.
And it's still going. Tapped into the 300s there. Sellers in control. We're all the way down to the open of the, there we just took out the open of Asia.
A big wick on the bottom of this 1 minute candle right here.
Yeah.
I think I might add one more to this if it comes up to comes back up to 400. Probably add one more short contract to this.
Yeah, that's a reasonable short entry or add.
Wouldn't be entering right here if it was my only
Yeah. You're adding in on house money.
Yeah, I've already locked in 180 in profits on this, so I don't need to.
We do have a previous day low down there at 29,162. That's a pretty strong 1 hour candle there. We're only 20 minutes in and it's been going straight down basically. 18 minutes of straight down from 617 all the way down to 304. We are in a 1 hour bullish fair value gap that has been repeatedly being support here. Right, the middle of the fair value gap's at 300. The low is at 250. The high is at 350. So it's a 100-point 1 hour fair value gap.
Looking at 82 orders at 200 right now.
Yeah.
89 at 250. All right. I am out.
Nice trade. Nice trade.
Thank you. Thank you. Looks like oil's pushing back up again. YM starting to push back up again.
Actually took a long scalp there, made $100. Woo! Saw us so we had made the bullish move on the 5 minute candle, basically from from the equal lows of that previous body candle, and then it pushed all the way down, but then it just basically came straight back up. So I entered long at the low of the previous candle, previous 5 minute, and then just locked it in. Sold on the ask around 80s, the 80s area.
Just hit a higher volume area on YM right now. It's pushing down off of that. We got another high volume node sitting at 414.
Oh, Gordon had the same idea. Long 4 micros. Let's go bulls. Squeeze incoming. Well, usually when we get this kind of an extended move, if you're patient and wait for some sort of a bullish candle, we often get, a decent move. But it doesn't mean I'm not convinced that we're going to go, recover all this yet. But we do have a bearish fair value gap above here, 29,415.
I can't get into anything right now. Looking at the 15-minute chart, I am starting to like longs a little bit back up toward VWAP.
VWAP retracement move. The only thing I'm in this chair. What's that, Chris? What do you mean? FN trades down 300 on 5 accounts, up 300 on the other 5, locking it out. There you go. Hey, smart move. Some adult decisions right there.
My favorite kind of decisions.
Nice job, Tim. Tim caught most of that down move.
Very nice.
Damn, I was considering taking a short there at 20, the 20s area. We were in the middle of bearish fair value gap, and then I decided not to, and then shoulda, coulda, woulda.
No, I'm just going to be patient here.
I did type is LOL. I need more coffee. In is this chair. Man, this price is moving really fast.
Yeah,
like
I'm not liking
430 and now we're at 330 almost. It's like, wow. You tried Austin's double break trade? Did that play out today? Tim? And now we're heading back up to the previous high candle there.
Yeah, I switched this over to ES. I want a little bit slower movement here. I'm in a 1 micro long right now. I got my stop loss +2, break even +2.
Whoa, Nelly. Gordon must be rich.
Gordon's in a good long, eh? If he's still in that long from earlier.
He's looking for 532, hey?
All right, I got my break even +5 in now.
Gordon's in at 330. Nice, Gordon.
Damn.
Gordon's gecko is telling him secrets over there.
He's got a little gecko sitting on his shoulder. Go long, Gordon.
That's where he's getting all his indicators from. Dow is the strongest market? Oh, yeah, wow. Dow is ripping right now.
Just added another contract to my ES.
Nice. Pumping.
Yeah, I wanted to lower my stress level here and trade ES just for the slower movement.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to light the world on fire today. I'm trying to just make a couple of bucks and get the hell out of the Caribbean. Oh, wow. Looking at Bookmap, YM is, we got into that. But ES has got orders up at 450 right now. 205 of them at 450. We got 84 at 47.50, which are about to get eaten up, and they just did. Adding one more, or I'm sorry, 2 more contracts to this. So I'm in with 4 micros total.
Nice. Keep ripping. Keep ripping for Nick here.
Yeah, please, just keep going up. I don't want to be sitting at the charts all day trying to make money. I want to close this trade out, shut my laptop, and get the heck out of here. We are coming up toward VWAP on MES right now, though, so got my profits locked in. Oh, all right. See if we can break through that initial balance.
Looking strong. Looking strong.
I'm not seeing a reason to get out of this long yet. I want to see how it reacts with VWAP and go from there.
Gordon said he's rich.
Very good. I want to be rich, Gordon. Tell me your secrets. Show me your ways. Take me on as your young apprentice. All right, this is pushing through VWAP nicely. I think we're gonna get a push through the initial balance high.
It is definitely looking strong here. All the way up to 600s. Says suspected yen intervention. U.S. Supreme Court topples 1935 precedent that allowed independent agencies. Not sure what that means, but
I'm
something.
not sure what's going on there. Not sure I want to right now. I'm already stressed enough.
Not your best trade, but you locked in profits, Jerry. Nice. Good job. Good job. 520 stop here. Low risk for long. Nice. Yeah. Good job, Gordon.
So if anybody's trading ES right now, we are at the top of a bullish fair value gap over VWAP above the point of control. And current price is $7,450.60. And it's looking like it's going to keep going up. I'm going to lock in another 5 points on this. Holy shit snacks, Batman. Keep it going.
Wow. Feeling FOMO now for not being in a long. Jesus.
Sorry, buddy. I got it for you.
Well, that doesn't make it feel better, but congrats to you for sure.
Well, I'm just trying to help you out here. I got it for you. We share everything. Clee. That was horrible. I'm sorry, you should punch me for that one.
What is initial balance high? 800 area.
All right, on the 5-minute, we got a bearish fair value gap that we tapped into. You hear those parrots? Or
Yeah, that sounded pretty loud.
parakeets?
Is that what it is? Parakeets?
Parakeets or parrots, it's one of the two. I can't tell unless I can see them. All right, patience has definitely paid off for me today. Waiting for a good setup was definitely the smart move. I think I'm up almost 400 in this trade, if I'm doing the math right.
Nice. I was away from my desk and I heard my name. Had to rewind.
Who's saying that?
Clee.
Sorry, I'm not looking at the live stream. What was that?
Clee.
Oh, yeah, I made a horrible joke at your expense. I'm sorry. Said you can punch me later if you want to, or just beat me at kickboxing.
Decided to try along here at the VWAP. Uh-oh.
A little bit of pullback here on ES. A little bit, but not enough for me to get out of this trade yet. Oh, I switched charts. Yeah, I'm up 371 on this trade.
Nice.
It's coming down a little bit, but we did have an EMA crossover. The 9 and the 21 and the 50 are all stacked up for longs. And that crossover happened at 10:33. The 21 crossed over the 50. So I'm just gonna leave this in here. If it does start pulling back on me, I still locked in 10 points on 4 micros.
That's like around, what, 200 bucks? Yeah.
4 micros, 10 points. Yeah, it's around 200 bucks.
Times 5. Yeah.
Looking at the 15-minute chart, I still don't have a reason to get out of this. We're at the point of control, the active point of control right now. Above VWAP. It did almost come into play with that first deviation band and then pull back. There are still quite a few orders up above us on the book map as well. Looking like 74.90 might be my price target here.
Yeah, we should. I mean, if the fair value gap is truthful, we should at least see a push into the 680s here, roughly. We do have value area high at 652 on NQ.
All right, close that out. That was fun.
You out of that one?
Yep, just close it out. Made
nice.
490 bucks on it.
Nice trade.
So I'm
nice
up a little over 600 per account. Trading 9-10 accounts today.
Wow.
So whatever that math ends up.
Good job. Good job.
I'm gonna pull a Gordon. Not quite rich.
Just made lots of money.
It's 600 and something dollars. Come on. Not retiring anytime soon. Wow, the Dow is still pushing.
Is it? Oh, wow. Yeah.
Dow was up at the +2 standard deviation band. It broke through it once, came back down. It's looking like, well, it's sitting right now at a high volume node. If it manages to push up to, or if it manages to close over 715, I'd say the next candle will determine whether it's price discovery or time for a short. You know what? I think I'm going to go back to trading ES for a little while.
Yeah.
That was so low stress.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't feel my heart rate go up at all.
Didn't get sweaty palms.
My palms are always sweaty. It's just the environment I'm in.
High humidity.
My butt cheeks weren't all clenched up. I swear, I've been in NQ trades where I could crack walnuts with my ass cheeks.
digging your fingernails into like the table, like.
Yep.
Don't
You
do
got
it.
And I mean, honestly, you do make more quickly in NQ, but you can lose more quickly in NQ.
Mm-hmm.
But if I can't be happy with making $600 in a morning, it's only 8:45 in the morning. I'm good.
Yeah.
I still have the rest of the day to play around. Not on the charts. All right, ES is coming back to VWAP again. It did wick down below it, hit the 9 EMA. On the 5-minute chart. Ooh, excuse me.
You can always add more contracts on MES and still not have to crack walnuts.
Yeah. And I like that about it. Chris, I'm glad you agree with me. Or I agree with you. More is not always better. I mean, would I like to take a $50,000 trade? Yeah. Do I want to have the stress that's involved with that? Yet.
Yet.
9.
Someone may have to bail me out of jail today. I'm ready to kick my coworker's butt. Too bad it's a female. That sucks.
I mean, be a gentleman. Or just be a gentle man. Now, is it your coworker is just not doing their job, or are they just a general, all-around, everyday shithead?
Yeah, I would too. Stress ain't worth it. If I could take 25K stress free over stressful 50K, I'd take 25K all day long. Yeah.
It sounds asinine, but absolutely. And that just comes down to not being greedy. You can take 25K in a day. You're doing pretty damn good. On a global scale, you're doing better than 99.9% of the people out there as far as money is concerned. Somebody looked up what's his ass Bezos makes in a minute.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, his hourly income is more than my yearly income.
That's crazy, eh?
Makes over I think it was like $4 million an hour or something. I could be wrong about that number, but holy crap. All right, we know what Tim does. Clee, what do you do? And why is your boss a shithead?
She's the boss, isn't she?
Oh, well, fair enough.
Yeah. Calling herself a shithead, I think.
F-bombs in the chat. I drop enough of them in real life. I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. I am definitely not in that. Yeah, I'm the worst. Clay, you're funny. Yes, I am my own boss. And I am a shithead sometimes. I blame hormones. I mean, cool. I'm not even going to comment on that one. I'm my own boss. I'm the same way. And I blame it on me just being a jerk. Construction, truck driving, in the military. I learned it well. I learned it from my mother, actually. My mother has a mouth on her that would make a pirate blush in shame. Okay, on 2 of my accounts, I only made 382.69. I had they are newer accounts, so I had a limit of no more than 2 contracts.
Okay. Nice.
Oh, no, not 2, 3 of them. I mean, still, I'm not complaining. I'm just little transparency.
Risk management on those accounts.
Yeah. A little bit of, I mean, I don't have enough drawdown in there to justify adding in 15, 20 micros. Once I do, then I will, but
Mustang trader, late night futures, Discord open, charts blowing, let's go.
That was an annoying trade for me. I did take a long on the VWAP there, and then I ended up stopping it out as it pulled back down to the 40s, 540 area. So I ended up giving back my profits in that account and taking a $250 loser. And then I actually went back in long as it recovered and got that account back to plus $50.
all right.
But yeah, it sucks when you cut a trade and then it you know, you take the loss and then it would have been above all my entry there. So it's kind of too bad. I went long, and then as we were breaking above the VWAP again, like we kind of like pulled back below the VWAP, we broke up. I added to it, and then it turned around and went down below the VWAP pretty far. So I was like, I gotta cut it. And now we're just going up.
I want to see what MES does with this deviation band and the working point of control. But I don't think I'm going to be on these charts for very much longer. I've been at this since about 7 a.m.
Yeah.
And a 4-hour workday for me is more than enough.
Yeah, I'm pretty kind of feeling like after I recovered that loss, I'm like, probably should be done for the day.
I mean, you recovered a loss. That is that's an accomplishment for a day.
And I got that other one past Squeeze coming in 11 a.m. Oh yeah, we are at that hourly candle.
The market doesn't care. What you worry about? Chris says, better miss a good trade. Better miss a good trade. One piece of wood. One piece of wood. Yo, Tim got wood. Nobody knows why. Break 500, 100, just going up. Break 500, 100, just going up. Top 40 added one more. One more.
Let's make a song on stream. Let's make a song on stream. Let's make a song.
No such thing as recovering a loss. That loss was forever gone. You lost a trade, then you won a trade. Yep, fair enough.
That sounds really familiar. Didn't they
says
say
that?
that on Friday? Oh no, I was talking to Randy about that. About that going on tilt, trying to recover losses. It was like, your loss is your loss. You're never making that money back. You might make different money back later, but
Mhm.
oh, okay.
Base. Market butcher.
Yeah,
I
don't
got
ever revenge trade. Revenge trading is just a good way to lose more money.
Late night futures.
Discord open.
Charge glow. Let's go.
Only YOLO.
Nice FN trades.
Only YOLO.
Jomo.
Joy, I'm missing out.
While the weak hands panic.
We let the winners ride.
NG posting schedules every night. Mustang pre-market day of first light. Trello 19 still watching Orby. Gets a little spook then comes right back to me. Effing trades asking questions all day. Fish tank background maybe one day. Red
Supposed to be disconnect and prevent revenge trading. Good.
nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
Dave and I are full of inspirational quotes and good rules to live by. Well, Dave's more of an inspirational quote guy.
I don't think so.
I don't know. You're the type of guy who's got a poster behind you with a cat on it, playing with a ball of yarn that says something like, "Enjoy life. Play a lot." Tell me I'm wrong.
No posters on the wall here.
hmm Like those stupid signs that people have in their kitchens. Live, laugh, love. Every time I see one of those, I want to burn their house down.
At the top again. Top 40 brand says 31K. Risk management every day. 2 NQ, that's all I need. Payout hidden, now we breathe. Omar one's too short, the trend and that fence says, brother, don't do it again. 1 second chart if you need excitement, but patience usually pays the rent.
Can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump tweet war is over?
Nick is full of knowledge too. I disconnected my Alexa and will be just asking him for now. Clee. Clee's funny.
Ugh.
Only YOLO. Joy, I'm missing out.
The market doesn't care.
when I was working in the laboratory, this woman, Cheryl, that I worked with, would walk up to me just like once a day and ask me some off the wall question, and just to see if she could stump me. And at first I didn't realize she was doing it. She would ask me like a question about like genetics or like containment of gases, things like that. She asked me once what the atomic weight of butane was. But after a while, I was like, why do you keep asking me this stuff? And she just started laughing and walked away. All right, whatever. So a couple days later, somebody walks up to me and goes, "Hey, Nickel know." What?
Really?
Like, yeah, that's what Cheryl started calling you. Every time somebody has a question about something, she's like, ask Nick. Nick will know. So
Nick will know.
it's not 100%. Unbreak popping in. See how you guys are killing it greens. I think everybody in here is green today. At least I haven't heard of anyone taking losses. Clee is up. Gordon's rich again.
Gordon's always rich.
Kind of makes me wonder what the hell he's doing in here with us. I'm
Making
not that
money.
I'm complaining. What's that?
Making money.
Chilling out. Watching how the other half lives.
There's always a show off among the group. Nick, whose picture was on the $10,000 bill?
$10,000 bill was Case, maybe? I'm actually no. Sorry.
Got a stumper. Not a president.
I want to say Chase, but no, it wasn't. Chase wasn't a president. He was a U.S. treasurer. I do know the 100,000 was Wilson.
Wow, you're right.
Yeah.
He said.
I'm sorry, what's that?
Chase. It was Chase, obviously. He said, wow,
No
you're
shit. Right. That was pure luck. That. So was I correct? He was the U.S. treasurer, correct? Actually, I'm gonna look it up right now, because was it Samuel Chase? No, not Samuel. Salmon P. Chase. Salmon. Former U.S. Treasury Secretary is featured on the $10,000 bill. All right.
Nickel, no.
All right.
Gordon said, I made a small fortune playing Baccarat a few years back, got 3 natural 9s in a row and went all in on each bet. Then I took that money and put it in a penny stock that went up 1,000%.
All right. I
If I was a president, I would like my face on the Wheaties cereal box.
You know what? When I was boxing, they wanted to put me on a Wheaties box, but the people at Wheaties said they wanted kids to actually want to eat the cereal. So that was. And now I trade for a living. Gordon, if this is a true story, I really do want to just interview you and possibly get together with you so I can punch you in the neck. Actually, just rub your head for luck.
It's a pretty interesting story if it wasn't true. How did he come up with that? How did you come up with that lie if it was a lie?
I don't think it was.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
I'm pretty sure that's a true story. All right, I am not seeing anything really good happening right now.
Yeah.
It's 11:13. I've got let's see. Possible long entry after this candle, the 5-minute candle closure off this VWAP bounce on MES. We're just above the point of control. The moving averages are all lined up for a long still. But we are in a 5-minute fair value gap as well. Bearish.
Broken trend lines. Man, there's some crazy stories of luck that happen. Your grandma who sued her grandson after bought a winning lottery ticket with the money, so she gave him. Interesting.
I'm sorry, somebody sued their grandmother over a lottery ticket?
Sounds like it.
That's wow. I don't understand people.
Another lesson. Another chart. Another night.
Did she win the lawsuit? Oh, grandma sued her grandson.
Oh, a grandmother suit. Okay. I mean, not much better.
Yeah, I wonder if she won the lawsuit. That's a pretty nasty move.
Yeah, I don't see the point of suing a family member over money. It's like when people argue over somebody's will. That always makes me kind of lose all respect for them immediately.
Mm-hmm.
Siblings suing each other over their parents' wills or their grandparents' wills.
I loved my abuelita. What's abuelita?
Grandmother.
Oh, okay. Cool. Me too. I still have one grandma alive. My great grandma, I also loved a lot.
lesson. Another chart. Another night. I walk a lonely chart tonight. The only way still glowing bright. Through broken trend lines left behind. Searching for the next setup I find. The VWAP faded far away. The value there is where I'll stay. The market whispers then it lies. Another fake out in disguise. And I know the candle doesn't care about my hopes or my prayers. I'm walking down the boulevard of broken trend lines, where every trader leaves a piece of their mind.
The Bears and Bulls are green today. I was one of the Bears. Working both directions right now. Hey, Lafta.
Of broken trend lines. VG. FEG. VWAP. Back to VWAP. Back to me. Frank the Great Pirate sleeps by my side like he knows another trade just died. Ralph the Frenchie starts to snore. He's seen this movie all before. The screens are blowing in the dark. Another wick leaves another mark. But every loss becomes a guide for the trade that's waiting on the other side. And I know the market tests the weak, but patience pays for those who see. I'm walking down the boulevard of broken trend lines, where every trade
Lately, I pretty much do 1 to 2 trades, no longer over trading. Nice. Yeah. Smart, Lafta. You're a smart guy. What can you say?
of broken trend lines.
We will take appropriate action on Cook lawsuit, says Mr. Trump on True Social.
NQ dirty, he is clean. The setup always looks obvious after the screen. One more level, one more trade, one more lesson.
Nick, you had me looking around the room wondering what the F is that?
Just another chapter in the story. We're walking down the boulevard.
Was that my phone was ringing? It was probably.
Oh, it was either your phone or the birds out here. One of the two.
Oh yeah.
The Boyds.
Of broken trend lines. The market opens, the market closes, the candles come, the candles go.
Yeah, it wasn't me ringing.
Frames deep, and somewhere another trend line.
All right. Well, it's 11:30. I believe it's
Yeah.
not time for me to head out because I'm not doing any more trading for a while.
Yeah, we're kind of sort of stuck in this range at the moment here.
It's lunchtime in Chicago.
Chicago
Everybody's out eating some sausage and peppers.
for lunch.
Another chart. Another night.
Sausage and peppers, it's always good. Is that like a common dish or something, Nick? Or does it just
Yes.
sound cool to say it?
I mean, only when I say it.
Yeah, I don't have the accent for it, but
Hey. No, it's been a couple decades since I lived in Chicago, so Oy. All right.
almost lunchtime here too. Need to get out and get some sunshine. Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm ready to walk away here too.
No tropical storm today. I may go for a walk on the beach.
You're gonna make me want to watch Blues Brothers.
I may end up doing that at some point today. It's been a minute since I've seen that movie. Get some sausage and peppers. Watch the Blues Brothers. Stay out of Indiana.
Yeah,
That's where all the Nazis are.
the Nazis. Nancy's or Nadzies?
Part of the Blues Brothers movie where they're talking about the Nazis, and I think it was Gary, Indiana.
Mm-hmm.
All right, yeah, I'm done. Closing this out, locking it up.
Sounds good.
I got my man pad over here. I'm hitting the lockout button,
Nice.
and I'm done. Well, thank you everybody for coming and playing.
Yeah.
I do appreciate it.
Stay away from the crazies.
You talking to me?
No, that's what Jerry said. Lafta said. Stay away from the crazies.
I think I'm the craziest that I'm going to come across today. Dave, off stream at some point, remind me to tell you about the little boy on the beach
Okay.
yesterday. His dad had to borrow a knife from me.
Oh my
I
god.
don't want to say it on stream because it's actually pretty horrific, but wow.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I look forward to it.
It's just weird. There were some crazy people on the beach last night. Oh,
Oh.
that's what you were saying. Stay away from the crazies.
Are you talking about Klee?
Yeah.
Lafta? Oh. Oh, Klee was saying there's crazy people on the beach. Gotcha.
Oh. That's the one thing, it's you got Jerry talking about the LA beaches, you got Clee in Miami. You need to get an Australian in here for Bondi Beach. When I go to the beach, there might be 10 other people on it at any
Oh,
time.
yeah.
If there's more than 30 people on the beach, that's a lot.
Nice and quiet.
It is. That's how I like it.
Another lesson. Another chart.
All right.
Another
See y'all tomorrow.
See you, Nick.
Into the morning.
Have a great day.
You too.
I walk a lonely trail tonight. The only ones to go and pray. Through broken channels left behind. Searching for
All right, guys. Thanks so much. Appreciate you being here. Let's wrap it up also. Let's do our top fans here. Jerry. Let's see. Sorry. Need to make this bigger so I can see it. Jerry Trades, Chris, Lafta, Gordon, FN Trades, Klee, Skeletor, Big Teflon, Mick Riker, Kyle, Tim, Blackout News, Gruck, Lone Wolf, Space Futures FX, Zoomane, and ForceFed. Appreciate you guys being here as usual. Thanks so much. And we'll be live tomorrow morning for Market Open, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be there or be square. All right, guys. So thank you. And hopefully you're green on the day. And yeah, have a great day. And we will talk to you guys tomorrow. So peace out, everybody. Have a great day.
Broken trend line. FEG. FEG. VWAP. Back to VWAP. Back to me. Frank the Great Pirate sleeps by my side like he knows another trade.
Kyle, nope, not tonight. We'll be on tomorrow. We'll be on tomorrow. See you guys. Talk to you later.